Hi, I'm Stephen Coorlas, owner of Coorlas Architecture. Today we're going to check on progress at our Churchill remodel project, so come along and let's take a look. New windows are in, the brick is painted. We typically advise against painting brick. In this case, this is what the homeowners wanted. New roof and gutters, and the exterior is pretty much mimicking what the elevations look like on our drawings, so let's go take a look inside. So I've got a drawing set here. This is the cover page. This is what it typically looks like with a rendering, and then some information about the architect, contractor, and homeowner. We provide all of our elevations in color. This is what they typically look like with the dimensions, callouts, and keynotes. And all the keynote information is off to the right-hand side here for the contractors to reference during bidding and construction. The second floor has a pretty simple layout. You can see here the stair that leads upstairs. We've got 2 bedrooms on one side, 2 bedrooms on the other side, and then each bedroom has its own bathroom. Here's what that looks like in a 3D floor plan, and these types of views are standard in all of our design packages. What we're here to look at today is the first floor plan, so we are standing here at the front door, again with this beautiful stair that leads upstairs, and we've got 2 hallways that lead us back to the family room area. There were some existing openings along this wall that didn't align with anything, so we made them symmetrical upon the stair. And then we had an opportunity to loft the ceiling, which we took and added some beams for a little bit of dramatic effect. That family room space opens up onto the kitchen where the lofted ceiling continues, and part of the kitchen has a lower ceiling. Beyond that, we have a large 3-car garage that opens directly into a mudroom that has bench seating, storage, a washer dryer, utility sink, and this space opens directly onto the kitchen or leads you to the hallway. That hallway then leads to the first floor primary bedroom, which has expansive views to the backyard, 2 large walk-in closets, and a beautiful ensuite with double vanity, walk-in shower with 2 shower heads, and a separate toilet closet. And lastly is a very large living room space that will receive all new lighting, floors, and finishes. As an overview on our 3D floor plan, we have the stair that leads upstairs with the 2 hallways and now symmetrical openings that open onto our family room space, large windows shared by the family room and kitchen, and the mudroom space with 3-car garage, first floor primary bedroom with 2 walk-in closets, large ensuite, and our living room. For exterior work, we provide color 2D elevations as well as these 3D axonometric views. And since we have the 3D model, it's really easy for us to produce photorealistic renderings, which really help our client visualize the materials, how the materials will look at different times of day, and also helps our contractors understand the materials and where they're going on the building. For interior kitchen design, we typically provide elevations of all the cabinetry with generic callouts and dimensions, which is enough information for the contractor to get pricing or for your kitchen and bath designer to work with you on more detailed drawings. We do offer additional design services that would keep us on board through the detailing of your kitchen and bath spaces, as well as compliance reviews for your fixtures, finishes, and appliances in your kitchen, bath, and other spaces. Remaining drawings in the drawing set are schedules for doors, windows, things like that, and then engineering drawings for mechanical, electrical, plumbing, and structural. Everything the contractor needs to build everything out and everything that the municipality is going to require for permitting. So come with me, let's take a quick walk around our remodel project here. So as mentioned, when you first walk in, you're greeted with this beautiful stair and the catwalk area that leads to the bedrooms upstairs. We've got the living room off to the left-hand side here, and then the 2 corridors that wrap around the stair that lead to the great room space. We'll have the media station off to this left-hand side here. We've got windows all along the entire back length of the wall. This great room space opens up into the dining and then kitchen area, and we lofted the ceilings up to give some extra ceiling space. The kitchen lineup was pretty simple. We kept most of the storage cabinetry off to this area so it was accessible for the cooking, and then tucked away a lot of the utility stuff under this lower portion of the ceiling. The kitchen hood is centered basically on this wall, large kitchen island, which again looks over onto a dining area, and then the media station in the living room back over there. Moving through this space in the kitchen, we've got a large pantry with a sliding door, and then access to the hallway that brings you back to the primary bedroom and over to the mudroom in this direction. So the mudroom again has a sliding door to save some space. It's going to have a washer dryer and a utility sink off to this side, and then access to the 3-car garage over in this direction. Moving back out of the mudroom into the main corridor, this hallway with the colonnade style openings leads you into the primary bedroom area. Primary bedroom also features large sliding glass window and door system that leads to the backyard with a new patio, a fireplace, lofted ceilings, and then the private corridor that gets you into the his and hers closet and ensuite area. Moving through the primary bedroom area, you've got the walk-in closets for his and hers, nice large size, with the pantry closet off in that back area. And then we relocated the door to the ensuite over in this area, where you're going to have his and hers vanities, and then the walk-in shower over on this side. Shower features a built-in bench, and then access over into the separate throne room over in that area. So that's it for now. We're just finishing up framing and a lot of the utilities, so we should be passing inspection shortly, and we will move on to insulation and drywall with finishes shortly after that. Stay tuned for updates, and thanks for visiting.